Ever been driving and thought, there has to be a smarter way to do this? Today, I'm sharing 5 car gadgets on Amazon that genuinely make driving safer, easier, and less stressful. Check the links in the description, because once you see these, you'll want them in your car. Let's start with something you use every single time you drive your phone. The Android car phone holder for MagSafe is not just another mount, it's built for real-world driving. The first thing you notice is how solid it feels. With 22 powerful N55 magnets, your phone stays locked in place even when you hit bumps, sharp turns, or sudden stops. No wobbling, no panic grabs. What really sets it apart is the 360-degree rotating base and dual-axis metal arms, so you can switch between portrait and landscape in seconds. Whether you're following GPS, taking hands-free calls, or checking traffic, the view is always perfect. The nano gel adhesive is insanely strong, handling extreme heat or cold without damaging your dashboard. There's also a smart touch most people don't expect. The circular vent design improves airflow, helping prevent phone overheating during long drives. It works perfectly with MagSafe iPhones, and if you don't have one, the included magnetic ring has you covered. Simple, secure, and surprisingly premium, this is how a phone mount should feel. Now imagine this, you're heading out on a road trip, everything's going great, and suddenly your car won't start or your tire pressure warning lights up. That's where the NOCO Boost Plus Air AX65 becomes a total lifesaver. This is an all-in-one emergency powerhouse that combines a jump starter, tire inflator, power bank, and flashlight into one compact device. With 2,000 amps of power, it can jumpstart gas engines up to 8 liters and diesel engines up to 6 liters, and it does it safely with built-in spark-proof and reverse polarity protection. The high-output air compressor is seriously fast, taking a tire from 0 to 40 psi in about 2 minutes. You simply set the pressure, and it automatically shuts off when it's done. There's also a bright LED flashlight for night emergencies and USB-C fast charging to power your phone or laptop. Keep this in your trunk, and you'll drive with way more confidence knowing you're ready for almost anything. If you want speed and convenience without dealing with bulky cords, the Fanttik X8 Apex tire inflator is going to impress you. This cordless inflator is shockingly fast. It can inflate a standard car tire in under 1 minute, and it does it with 1 pound per square inch accuracy, so you're not guessing anymore. Just set the pressure, press one button, and walk away. The powerful battery is built for real use, not emergencies only. You can inflate up to 16 tires on a single charge with no cooling breaks in between. The long, high-pressure hose makes it easy to reach any tire angle, even on larger vehicles. Fanttik also made it super user-friendly with preset modes for cars, motorcycles, bikes, and even sports balls. At night, the built-in LED light comes in handy, and when your phone battery is low, it doubles as a USB power bank. Everything fits neatly into the included storage case, making this one of those tools you'll wonder how you ever lived without. If you've ever wished you had proof during a close call or unexpected incident, the ROVE R24K Dual Dash Cam is exactly what you want watching the road for you. This setup records 4K video in the front and 1080p in the rear, capturing details like license plates and road signs with impressive clarity. Thanks to the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, footage stays bright and sharp even at night. What makes this dash cam feel modern is the built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, letting you quickly download videos or adjust settings straight from your phone. The integrated GPS automatically records speed, location, and routes, which can be extremely useful for insurance claims or personal records. It also comes with a free 128GB memory card, supports loop recording, and locks important clips during sudden impacts. With advanced parking mode available using an optional hardwire kit, your car stays protected even when you're not around. Quietly working in the background, this dash cam brings serious peace of mind every time you drive. Last but not least, let's talk about keeping your car clean and your tires ready to go with the THINKWORK 20 volts car vacuum and air inflator. This isn't just a vacuum, and it's not just an inflator, it's a 2-in-1 powerhouse designed to tackle 2 of the most common car chores in one compact device. The vacuum side is surprisingly strong, with an 18,000 pascals brushless motor that sucks up dirt, pet hair, and crumbs from every corner of your car, even tight spaces and upholstery. Meanwhile, the air inflator can pump tires up to 150 pounds per square inches with precision, thanks to the smart digital display and preset modes for cars, bikes, sports equipment, and inflatables. It's portable, lightweight, and even comes with a built-in LED light for nighttime emergencies. The washable filter makes maintenance easy, and multiple attachments ensure you can clean almost anything in your vehicle. Whether it's a quick cleanup before a road trip or keeping your tires perfectly inflated, this gadget saves time, space, and hassle, making it one of the most versatile versatile tools you'll ever keep in your car. And there you have it, the 5 best car gadgets you can grab on Amazon right now. If you're ready to buy any of them, the links are in the description. But wait, if you want to discover even more top car gadgets, click on this video to check them out.